Hey, good evening, Map here, Map Investments, bringing you another stock market report and economic news on today's action. Basically, let's go to CNBC. Then we'll take a look at the TD Ameritrade options, not options, the futures. So we had today the Dow Jones up 16 to 33,446, S&P up 6 to 40,79. The NASDAQ 13,688, down 9. Small caps were the laggard today, down 1.6%, 36 to 2223. VIX also down almost $1 to 1716, down over 5%. Hopefully that VIX don't get to 15 again or under that, because this market is really getting boring. It's not doing anything. It's just putting me to sleep. Bonds, 10-year yields are up a little bit, and the 30-year is up as well a little bit to 2.35%. Oil is under the 60 handle. Natural gas been stuck at 250 for a while. Gold down 390 to 1737. Silver hanging around $25. And copper a little bit over that 4 level. Dollar's down a little bit. The coins, the big coins, the crypto coins got hit a little bit today. On the news front, they're still working on that infrastructure bill, and they're negotiating on the corporate tax hikes. And the Fed is staying status quo. Fed expects it will be sometime before it starts tightening. The minutes show. I think Jerome Powell talks tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. But the Fed is staying on the easy course. They're not raising interest rates. I don't think they can ever raise them because of the debt of this country, and it will become too expensive for services. So, basically interest rates have gone nowhere since 2008. And the last time they tried to raise interest rates a little bit, the market really sold off, and they backed off and then started cutting rates again. On the economic news, there was a big report today on consumer credit. It surged. So consumer credit surged to the highest level since late 17. Credit jumped from 20 to 27.6 billion from prior month. I think they were expecting. We'll take a look here. I was looking here on the chat room news. Let me go about 2 p.m. because that's the news came out at 3 p.m. on the consumer credit. 3 p.m. The expectation was 5 billion, and it jumped to 27 billion. So it was a way bigger jump on consumer credit. So, are people racking up their credit cards because they can't keep up with bills? Or is it because the economy is reopening? You make that determination. Here the news came out. The FOMC minutes came out at about 2 o'clock, and participants agreed that the economy remained far from the committee's longer run goals, and that the path ahead remained highly uncertain. Asset purchases says, I don't know, it's kind of like misspelled. Participants noted that it would likely be some time until substantial further progress toward the committee's maximum employment and price stability goals would be realized, and that consistent with the committee's outcome based on guidance. Asset purchases will continue at least at the current pace until then. Economy agreed path ahead remain highly uncertain, with the pandemic continue to pose a risk. So they're staying status quo. The dollar is down a smidge to 90.47, 92.47. Bitcoin's up in after hours, up 400. All the foreign currencies with the dollar being down are green, except the euro's down a little bit. Oil is trying to recapture that 60 handle. It's under 60. S&P's up 1250 to 4082. Gold down 5 to 1736. Small caps up 1150. All the meats were up today. I think I might go to the grocery store soon here, Costco or BJ's, and pack up some meat and freeze it because higher prices are gonna come. So I might just exchange some dollars for meat now because it's gonna be more expensive tomorrow. So might as well, it's a form of savings. Stock up the pantry and stock up the freezer with some meats. Lumber, another probably all-time high, 1075 on lumber. S&P hit record high. Nasdaq is up 5850 to 13663, and the Dow Jones is up 39 to 3366. Platinum and palladium flat. Natural gas is been stuck at 250. What else? VIX is just getting annihilated, down to 1880 on this product, and the other one's at 17. Grains are flat, and bonds are selling off a little bit here in the wee hours in the night tonight. This market is boring as hell, in my opinion. I've been having a bad month. I want to say I've been having a bad, month more or less. I took off some gainers today, but overall I was down today. My portfolio is net short, so I'm going through some pain here right now as we're going up. Hopefully we get a pullback. I just can't bring myself to buy stuff at these levels. I just can't do it. Obviously, being a short at this level with all liquidity is being a contrarian. That's the way I am, and right now I'm suffering for it. I'm not performing the way I would like. I'm getting a little bit agitated with this market. Not really engaged. I watch it every day, but there's just not a lot going on, and I can't bring myself to put on positions with the VIX at these levels and dropping. I would like to see it higher. If you look at the most active options, I mean, it's a mixed bag. Tesla under some pressure, down 20. I think Tesla is having more competitive issues. Chevrolet came out with this electric pickup as well, so they got more competition coming from all angles. Alibaba down. That stock's been in a funk. Maro's down with the Bitcoin sell-off today. GameStop down. Boeing down. Nvidia was up 11, 565. That one's climbed back up pretty quick. Riot is another Bitcoin name, down pretty big today. General Motors, Taiwan Semi down. JP Morgan up $2. Netflix up $2. So there's just not a lot of stuff that's catching my attention here. If you look at this tape, that's just me. And if you're a long-term investor, by all means, go for it. I'd rather wait for some sales. That's the way I shop. With me taking off some positions and having some hedges, the portfolio is net short right now. So I'm a little bit of a hole right now. If the trend continues this way, which the trend is higher, and there's a saying that I keep repeating in all my videos, is the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So I might need to make some adjustments and take a good look at it. I'll probably give it to the end of the week. I'll see what I'll do. Um, I'm still up for the year nicely, but I would admit the last couple of weeks have been a struggle. I've taken out positions that are up and thrown some hedges on, and now I'm net short. So I would like to see a pullback to get in some stuff and take some hedges off, but it's not materializing. PDD down pretty big, down 7%. XPEV down 8%. EV Maker. Airbnb down pretty big. FCX, I like that name, down $1. Lyft down 3. Alphabet up 29. So it looks like the big names lifted the indexes. Your Googles, probably your Amazon, your Apple, your Facebook. They're lifting up all the indexes, especially S&P and technology. Small caps were hit pretty hard today. And the economic news on the consumer credit surging, I would like to look more into that. And basically the Fed staying status quo with their asset purchases and interest rates, and they're just basically playing the data. Overseas markets, Nikkei down a little bit, Shanghai pretty flat, and Hang Seng is up 140 points. Not much going on. Boring market in my opinion. Very boring. And if you're a passive investor, you're doing great. If you're a trader, you're kind of in a catch-22 because you need two-sided action to be a good trader. When you only get action to one direction, which has been mainly up, it becomes tough. But we'll see. Like the saying goes, it's the stairs when it goes up, but when it goes down, it takes the elevator. So, anyways, that's pretty much on the news front. I think Jerome Powell speaks tomorrow, and I'm just waiting for a pullback for better opportunities. Like the channel, share it, subscribe, hit the notification button, help me grow the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.